Nature is an infinite sphere of which the center is everywhere and the circumference nowhere. Nature's far too subtle to repeat herself. Pity the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. Sunset is still my favorite color, and rainbow is second. To sit in the shade on a fine day and look upon verdure is the most perfect refreshment. In the spring, I have counted 136 different kinds of weather inside of 24 hours. Light in nature creates the movement of colors. Solitary trees, if they grow at all, grow strong. Every flower is a soul blossoming in nature. Flowers are the sweetest things God ever made and forgot to put a soul into.